Hello students, let's do some exercise like how to identify the colorless solution functional group. So for that we will be doing two experiment here. So we'll see one by one. So what you have to do, suppose you have got a colorless compound, that means either one of the organic compound will be there, either ethanol, ethanoic acid, aldehyde or acetone. That means alcohol, carboxylic, aldehyde or ketone as a functional group you will be having. So for that you have to take a two test tube and take a little of organic compound. In one of the organic compound you will add blue litmus solution, and in second test tube you will add 2,4-DNP and ammonium hydroxide. So what is the conclusion that you do? Suppose you got a carboxylic acid. The first test tube in which you have a blue litmus solution will turns to red, and in 2,4-DNP there will be no change. Whereas if it is an alcohol, in both the cases there will be no change. That means the organic compound will not turn from blue to red, and 2,4-DNP will there will be no yellow precipitate will be formed. Whereas if it is an aldehyde, there can be a slight change in the blue litmus solution, and there will be yellow precipitate will be formed. And ketone, if it is ketone, a blue litmus solution will not turn to a red when you add to the ketone organic compound, whereas ketone will also give a positive result when you add a 2,4-DNP and ammonium hydroxide, that means yellow precipitate. So you can see in the test tube here I have kept the four test tube. In all these four test tube I have added the 2,4-DNP and ammonium hydroxide. You can see in carboxylic group and alcohol, that is ethanol and ethanoic acid, there is no change, whereas in aldehyde and acetaldehyde and acetone, yes, there is a formation of yellow precipitate. Now yes, okay, if yellow precipitate is formed, we confirm that either aldehyde or ketone. Now how will you identify whether it's an aldehyde or a ketone? Okay, either one of it is there, but we don't know which one is that. So for that we will be doing the shift test. Okay, you will be taking an organic compound, you will going to take another test tube, take a organic compound, and to this you are going to add a shift reagent. If it turns to dark pink in color, then we say that it's an aldehyde group. If it is a light pink color, then it is a ketone. Okay.